laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
You get one saying where they talk for our videos, they make you cut your coat according to your size. Sabina, make you cut your coat according to your cloth or material. Welcome to the very show where they always talk about lifestyle. When they do collab with World Body, that's now what they call them, now your health. And on top today's episode, we they yarn about your weight plus your self-esteem. That's why I use that proverb for the beginning of the show. This time your Niger half-cast, Luchi and Obong, and not be only me. Waka come inside the studio as always, my sempelicious doctor of life. When you see her, you're not gonna believe this is a doctor, but she's going to do an introduction the way she knows how to do the bursts.
Thank you very much, my darling sister of life that you have used to gum me in your health.
Bam.
If you just join us, you know now, your health. Once you see two of us like this, you know say now your health they shell. And the matter where they ground, like my sister don't already talk, it consign the way you they lose weight as your weight take be. And your self-esteem. You know, say self-esteem now one issue where they give people plenty problem. So on top of the show today, we don't decide, say, okay, we want to join the two of them together to help you understand, say, okay, your weight loss or how your weight take be, they affect your self-esteem, or your self-esteem, they affect your weight. Now you go know today on top of the show by the time we are done with you, because we get one very correct babe. Me, I dey call her babe, because as far as I dey concerned, she don't, the thing where she do, now only babe, she do am. She go tell you her own story about her self-esteem issues and then her weight loss journey. Everything joined together. So I beg, if na me be you, I go invite everybody where they around me to come hear this gist, made for inspire person. Then on top that one again, anything will concern your wellness when it comes to waiting you feel chop to help your diet and all of that on top the weight loss matter. Yes, we still get them for you today on top of the show, so make you not try yourself for.
Elnie Wells, you know, say this low self-esteem now problem where they affect both man and woman. In fact, it goes surprisation you say, get some people where you just sit there and say, whoa, this person in confidence level, they high up there. Those people too, sometimes, many a times, your eye go do, when you hear say, then too, they also get self-esteem issues, one way or the other. Nobody is left out of this. The problem with low self-esteem, now say, if it to compromise, that means if it cause plenty kata for inside your life, if it to affect the quality of your life, if it even follow affect everything from your personal relationship to even your work performance, how you take relate with people for inside your workplace, self-esteem goes a long way to cause badness for inside that one too.
Yes, so in fact, you don't ever, maybe you don't get some time where you don't see yourself inside picture. Maybe for a while, you never look yourself inside picture. You can't see one picture where they take you, maybe when you go one wedding. Say, hey, now maybe this. What is this? Yes. You understand? You know, say our personal body image, the way we take look at ourselves, it affect our self-esteem. Person go ask me now, say, what's all this self-esteem? What is self-esteem? Self-esteem now, the way you take carry yourself, how you take think of yourself, now in the self-esteem. And it help you either to walk tall and confident or to bend your head down the waka until say you no get high self-esteem. So the way your body be, that now your size, whether you fat or you slim, it actually impact your self-esteem. That now why today on top of the show, we want to give you some of this gist to make sure that you stay on top your game, on top the self-esteem matter.
In fact, they feel somehow when they tell you, say for example, so you know waiting, climb on top this scale, make you check how your weight be, and they feel say, hey, make I check my weight. So you have to do tukum. Even when now only you inside that room. Or maybe you get as your body they do you when you see yourself, they compare yourself with others for inside photo where you take. All this kind of thing, if you answer yes to either one of the two we don't talk to, then trust me, you also get problem with your weight, and this one they also affect your self-esteem.
But don't be alarmed at all, because we get solution for you today, and we get person we go inspire you on top the matter. Now very abundant guest, we not go release who she be. If you want to know who she be and you want to hear her story, please just peshimele for where you dey. Call everybody we supposed hear this, just make for hear what we got for you today. We is coming back.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
say no be only you waka come, we still dey on top na your health. The #1 program where they give you all the better gist where you need on top your lifestyle and your well body. And you know as we dey yarn you they come now, the matter where they ground today, it concern your weight and your self-esteem. That's now why we promise you see on top the show today, we get one very ogbonge, correct babe. Me, I call her babe because the work where she do to be babe, not be small matter. And her name na Eziaha Bolaji Olojo. Before na show, I'm gonna show me first. I started the talk. Before she begin yarn her own now on top the matter, this Eziaha only her one. She be hot mommy oh. Yes so she don't born pikin. On top that one, she be Coach E. We they call her Coach E. On to say she they also help people who want lose weight to help improve their self-esteem. So no be small matter. Oh. She full ground bracket today and she go yarn you all the plenty questions where they your mind. She will give you the answers to them. So Eziaha, thank you very much. Oh, say you can't decide to sit down with us on top of the show today. Where will they call now your health? You're welcome.
Thank you for having me. As you just do that introduction, I don't feel wait hear everything I want to talk today. Like as in that introduction.
Oh, thank you. See, don't already they toast me. My head don't they big on top of the show. Anyway, right about now, you know, say plenty people they watch us, our confirmed viewers. Then they now they tanda, they wait, they want hear. Now, first and foremost, you get any time where you ever get self-esteem problems?
That question. Because the kind of personality where I get, I don't get self-esteem problem at all. Like, I be that baby way, anywhere where I show myself.
Okay, I believe you.
But one day,
I
just look myself in a mirror. Okay, now picture where my husband snapped me.
Okay.
As I see the picture, I can't be like, say, wow, now you be this. I could not believe it.
Okay.
I was 106 kg, really big man. And then at that point, the things where they do before, the things where I like to do before, I can't they hide. I like to take picture. As in, I take picture like 500 times in 1 minute. But then I go take picture, I go they hide them because I don't feel listening and me be that. Yes, I had a baby, I don't born picking, but not be only picking na food too. Now true, we go tell ourselves the truth because yes, I born picking, I add weight, but even after I don't drop the picking, 6 months after, I still dey 106 kg. Now I no be joke. Now I tell myself, say no. So self-esteem, can't get K-leg. I'm like, whoa.
All right, so from that one now, I can't ask you now. So as this thing can make you feel like this, as your self-esteem can be like say something tamper with them, what thing you can't decide to do?
Dr. Ada, simple question, simple answer. I decided I go lose this weight. I just decided to say, even if it kill me, I go lose this weight. So first thing, we say, you go tell yourself the truth. You feel like, say, now because I dey breastfeed. But if you say you dey chop well and you dey breastfeed, you don't go big like that because, no. So I decided to also watch what I eat. I decided I go to work out. You don't feel run away from that one. Because people be like, say, oh, I don't want to work, I don't like to work out. And I'm like, you can't run away from it. You no fit escape that one. So watch what you dey chop, work out, and just dey determined. Say, because I really dey determined. Just looking at my pictures before and my pictures at that time, I don't feel believe them. So I really want to go back to that. So between me and you, I just want to prove some people wrong.
Say it's possible.
It's possible, darling.
Okay, so now person where they look you now, where don't because right about now they don't see the pictures of how you be. Before.
I'm embarrassed.
No need embarrassed where when you don't hurt like this. I believe all these things ahead. So now for person where they look you say, I won't be like this. Is this girl don't inspire me. What be the things where if you tell them, say make them do as a Coach E.
Yes.
Understand?
Coach E.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, I go tell you, say make you tell yourself the truth. No lie. No say, it ain't my body, it ain't my family, it ain't our genes, I dey breastfeed, I born pikin. No. Tell yourself the truth, which is maybe you they disciplined before. Maybe you get some things where you supposed learn where you don't know, because sometimes we don't know. We really don't know, say these things where we they do. Now they make us be like this. So now the first thing, because first if you do your mind well, then you fit do any other thing. Once your mind done they ready, are the first thing. Number 2, waiting you they chop. It is very important. I know if you stress them enough, waiting you they chop. Because if you just they chop anyhow, you put nonsense, it be like computer, garbage in, garbage out. So if you put nonsense enter your body, it go show. It go show. So if you adjust wetin you dey chop, that's the second thing, very important. And the third one, you go work out. You go exercise. Whether you want do gym, me, I know do gym that time.
Okay.
Now, I want join gym. Why?
Okay.
Because I want just the lift weight strong more.
Okay.
But then I know join gym. So anyone where you want, whether you want to do one for house, you get plenty videos where you want, you go feel watch, fit get this job done. So those three things basically. And then more than anything, sometimes when you go on this weight loss journey, they're very easy, so you're going to need encouragement.
Exactly, which leads me to the next question where I want to ask you. What will be the challenges where you face? Because it is easier said than done. Some people, they don't, how many times people go make up their mind, say this week, I must face, I must eat right. So which kind of challenges you experience and how you take handle them? Because we bring you on top of the show because of the results where we see. So what will be the challenges and how you take handle them?
Number one challenge is food.
Okay.
See, me and noodles, we did like I dey chop 3 plus 2 or 3 fried eggs, then bread. Oh my God. Bread, biggest Achilles heel. Like it was the biggest thing I had to deal with. The biggest things. Then working out because I get pikin and I don't get house help that time.
Okay.
So I just had to find a way to make it work. So maybe the pikin go dey sleep, I go just rush, do my workout. And that time I dey skip well, I go do like 4,000 a day. I tell you, I dey crazy. As in, I won't do well. Wow. So that was it. Basically, I had to find a way to manage my time with a baby and no help. And I was just alone because my husband no there around too. So now only me and then food. I go just look the food and I go tell him, no. I get power past you.
Correct.
I know shopping them for like 4 months. I know die. So darling, that thing where you think so you don't fit, you go fit die, you go die if you don't chop them. No. You feel leave them. If I leave Indomie for like my mother was still very surprised. Yesterday, my mama they talk and she be like, is it her? Really? This Indomie you no chop, I did surprised. So now just to overcome food temptations and then the strength and the willpower to work out. Basically I don't think so I get people challenged because even though I get people, I won't work out with people, but sometimes I know they inspire me. So I define my inspiration from within.
Only you want, you they encourage yourself.
Oh my God.
I'm feeling you. Anyway, when you've been started, you've been talking, say you they weigh over 106 kg, right? Or about 106.
106.
So what you they weigh now? Because we don't know how many kg you don't lose.
Okay, I'm down to 77. I
Hey, drum roll. Wow. How long it can take you to lose this? How many kg be that now?
That's about 29 kg.
29 kg.
Yes.
How long it take you to lose this 29 kg?
Okay. First of all, when I start the journey, I don't know too much because this thing na knowledge. Not be just to they work out and maybe some people they go just they starve, say if I starve, but those things no they sustainable. Okay. So that first month, which was September last month, I don't really know too much.
September last year.
Last year, sorry.
Okay.
I don't really know too much, but by October, I don't they read. I don't they learn. So maybe for that September, they work out, but I don't lose up to 5 kg. They're very discouraging. Okay. But by the time we enter October to December, I don't lose like 20 kg. Wow. Because I don't know. So by December 31, where I weigh myself again, I don't reach like 81. Okay. So I had gone from 106 to 81. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. And that's so a lot. In the space of like about 3 months. So it was intense. But it was also knowledge. Okay. I get knowledge where I apply for this thing where I do. So I don't just do them anyhow. Okay. I they use knowledge. I they eat right. I know they starve. I they chop right. Then I they work out right.
Wait, that's the way you talk. You be like say you they chop rice. Now rice you they chop.
I they chop right.
They chop the correct thing where you supposed to chop.
The correct thing where I supposed to chop.
Okay.
Rice there, but you know, it gets something they call portion control. Okay. So don't be saying you don't go chop anything, but you go portion control them. Okay. Yes. So you they talk about some kind of workout videos where they help you for house. Then on top of that one too, they talk about you get any food timetable, because some people don't ask questions on top of this show whether you get any food timetable where we fit to use to help, you know, the chopping right. You mentioned chop right. Chopping right. Yes. I don't know if I'm supposed to talk I'm here, but as a coach, yes. When anybody register with my program, I tell them everything they go chop and everything a Nigerian food. Because you know what? Now, after I can't know waiting be broccoli and cauliflower, I don't know all those things before because strawberries, you know, now we know now we they chop them sometimes. But that time, now all the normal food where we they see for market, now they chop that time. So yes, you get the way where you go chop. Nobody say you go say, I don't go chop rice again. That's not possible.
Okay.
In Nigeria, we they chop jollof rice. So yes, you go chop. So I go just tell you how you go they chop and the workout videos or the workout routines where you go they do. And that's it.
All right. At this point in time, we go back small break. Prepare your questions down, no, because Eziaha still there here to answer you on top. The one where she fit answer, she go answer them. The one where you go learn from inside her coach eatings, you'll see them after the show. Maybe see you in a bit.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
Welcome back. Hope say no be only you waka come as usual. We still dey on top the matter, your weight and self-esteem. Now, the question wey me wan ask you now one person don ask me the question, I say make I ask you. Now, we don dey talk, you say we dey talk weight loss. If person wan gain weight, wetin go come do? Because some people that they feel say them too thin, and because of that, they affect their self-esteem. Yes. So wetin they fit do to help themselves on top.
And this life they funny. Some people want add weight, some people want lose weight. If there's we just fit exchange them, you know, everything go just there okay. Okay, another thing na discipline. This is where they talk say they won't add weight.
Yes.
If you check them, they know they chop well.
They know they chop well, Abi.
If you check, because I get clients like that where they say, isn't her beg, I won't add weight.
Okay.
Okay, but they chop. I drink tea for morning. Then sometimes I go chop Indomie. Then for night, I dey tired, I go just sleep.
Okay.
If you underfeed your body, you will not be healthy.
Okay.
So if you don't chop right, so now discipline too. People they chop too much, they get discipline to stop them. People when know they chop, they get discipline to chop. So I get meal plans too.
Okay.
Because you're supposed to just increase your portions a bit and maybe a bit more. Later they talk, they say, eat for your goals.
Eat for your goals.
Eat for your goals. So if you want to add weight, I feel help you do that one. You could just chop for that goal. Nobody say you go come fat, you know, come turn to a rubber.
Yes.
But no, you go just
go
feel
fresh,
out. I mean, you get it.
For the right places.
Yes, so eat for your goals. If you want to add weight, you get the discipline where you go do too when you dey chop.
Okay, good. So discipline to lose weight, discipline to gain weight. You don't hear them. Now, the next question where I get for you, we say, you know, say that time you been in talk, say you be 10 something, 106. That when I hear the numbers,
You like this 106?
They shake me for head. Which size be that?
Oh, that's about 18.
Size 18. So you go from size 18 back to 18.
10.
10. 8 sizes. That's not why we bring you on top this show.
Yeah.
Okay, now, for this chopping matter, person go ask me, say, okay, if you dey chop this, make I dey chop breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like that time for person wey wan lose weight. You still dey chop your normal 3 square meal, or you dey do 010, or you dey do 101, or you dey do 001. How you take balance your chopping right?
See, no starve yourself.
Okay.
This body, they like car. Food, na the fuel for the body.
Okay.
So you go say you don't go put fuel for morning, but you go put fuel for afternoon. It don't make sense. Now your car go pack up one day.
Okay.
So no, I dey chop breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Except say, maybe I know they're hungry, or maybe something happen and you know fit chop. But nobody say I dey force myself, say I no go chop lunch because I want stay healthy. No. If you chop the right things, you go fit chop breakfast, lunch. And not be only that, you get something they call snacks. No, I don't mean meat pie and I beg.
I want to ask you now, so they snack in between?
Yes, you dey snack in between, but healthy snacks.
Okay.
They're healthy snacks. E.g., an apple. An apple is a snack.
Keeps the doctor away.
An apple. There are other things. They're just a whole. You get plenty things where where you fit chop as snacks in between your meals. But you see what you go chop.
Some people they talk say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Not true?
Ooh. Breakfast is a very important meal of the day. Why? Because your body, you know why they call them breakfast? We say your body don't dey fast since, except say you dey chop for middle of the night, where you're not supposed to do. But as you dey sleep, your body dey on a fast. Okay. So that breakfast, everything go start your body again like car, make it start to dey move again. Now, why then they talk say breakfast be the most important meal of the day? But where I get problem, well, I don't believe I'm totally, we say make your breakfast be the biggest meal of the day.
True.
I don't think so.
At all.
They talk say, chop breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper. If I just chop plenty like that for morning,
sleep go dey
now sleep go dey sleep now. So just the thing we say, have your lunch a bit early. So that way your body go just take time, you know, work everything off as you dey work. I don't say you go dey sleep, as you just they move, they active. Okay. So that big lunch go come up. But your breakfast is very important because you need your metabolism to start.
Correct. Now don't hear them. That breakfast day very, very important because you need your metabolism to start. Correct. So with these few points of ours, we hope we have been able to convince you that you can have the right weight and have the right self-esteem. May not go anywhere. Me and my Colos princess, my Sempelicious baby, we still day around to ice the cake. We is coming back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So come out your shoe or leave them. Now your health don't return.
And you're welcome back once again. Yes, so and you already hear everything we talk on top today's show. This one we talk about your weight and your self-esteem. If you just a busting, they enter the level, you need to understand. Say we are on top Facebook. You can Facebook with us. You can like us bumper to bumper. You can follow us on Twitter and personally on top Instagram. We did there for you. We full ground we make way. Like for there. Now for that confirmed guest, you don't hear what she talk. You see say this word. Not only you the experience that way they experience. If you just say not only you, right about now, you need to convince yourself and say, I'm not alone in this word, because a lot of things are experiencing, even by people when they repackage themselves. I don't need to talk too much because this is the end of today's episode. But just in case you miss it, we're there. We'll be here again, same time, same place, same station. Dr. Dora, is there anything you want to add to this same station?
No, the only thing that I want to say is that you now don't hear them. Whether you fat or whether you slim or be confident in yourself. And if you want to lose weight, make sure say you they lose the weight because you know say it's good for your health. Not be because you know appreciate who you be. With these few points of ours, we hope we have been able to convince you and not confuse you that it is good to love yourself just the way you are and do the right thing when you should do it.
Exactly. All right, we just say
bye.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.